This is a picture of virgin hair and this is a picture of Remy hair. So what are the differences? In this video, I will help you to distinguish these types of hair. Hello everyone, I'm Alma, the sales manager of K Hair Factory. In this video, I will help you to find out the similarities and the differences of Remy hair and virgin hair so that you can know the best choice for you. First of all, we'll move to the similarity of virgin hair and Remy hair. First of all, both these type of hair is the human hair, so it can last really long, about 2 or 3 years. Secondly, is about the cuticle intake of two types of hair. Both these hair has strain only one direction from the tip to the end of the hair. So this is really important because if the cuticle arranges only direction, so it will prevent the hair from tangle. And now we move to the differences of Remy hair and virgin hair. Remy hair may come from multiple donors, for example 2 or 3 donors, while the virgin hair only comes from one donor. And the special thing is the virgin hair has never been exposed to any kind of chemicals, for example dyeing, grooming, or even bleaching. So it's really amazing. And now we move to the second thing, is about the prices. The most important thing, right? So the virgin hair is of course more expensive than the Remy hair. It looks more natural and it can last longer. So for the virgin hair, it would be better for someone want to bleach the hair by themselves to some color, really bright color like the 613 color, or even the white color. Alright, and now we move to the conclusion. What should you choose to your hair danger? So in fact, if you want to bleach your hair into some bright color like the 613 color or the 27 or even the white color, the best option of yours is the virgin hair. But if you just want to dye your hair into some dark color, for example brown, or you just want to curl your hair, so the Remy hair is the perfect choice with the really reasonable prices. Actually, both these type of hair are the best option for your hair danger. It depends on your purposes. So if you have any question about Remy hair or the virgin hair, leave in the comment and I will answer both of them, or you can contact me via WhatsApp that I can answer you immediately. Thank you for watching.